Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to integrate QuickBooks with Shopify. Connecting Shopify to QuickBooks allows automatic syncing of sales, fees, and inventory. I'm going to show you how to get this done. So first, for QuickBooks Online, just go to Apps in QuickBooks Online and then search for Shopify. And then select the Shopify by Intuit or a trusted third-party app, for example, QuickBooks Connector. Then you're going to click Get App Now and sign into your Shopify account. Grant permission for the integration and then configure settings. You can map Shopify products to QuickBooks products. You can choose whether to import sales daily or in real time. You can also enable inventory sync if required. For QuickBooks Desktop, this requires a third-party connector app such as a WebGility or Connects. Install the connector and then link both accounts and configure syncing preferences. A pro tip is to always test with a few sample orders before syncing your full store in order to avoid mismatched data. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.